Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Family in Islam. Family secrets. A man was once feeling very worried and stressed about his problems, so he went to Imam Sadiq to tell him all about them. The Imam listened carefully and tried to put himself in the man's shoes. He lifted his hands up and prayed, "May Allah remove all of your hardships." The Imam then comforted the man and gave him enough money to help him fix his problems. "Whenever I need help, the Imam always gives me more than I could imagine," the man thought. His prayers alone would have been plenty. As he was leaving, the Imam gave him a piece of advice. "Be careful not to tell your secrets to just anybody," he said. "When people hear about your problems, they might lose respect for you. Also, not everyone knows how to give good advice." The man thanked the Imam and decided to be more careful about sharing his problems with others. As he walked away, he thought to himself, "Thank God, I have someone like the Imam to turn to for advice."
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتخذوا بطانة من دونكم لا يألونكم خبالا.
Do not tell your secrets to just anyone.
Imam Musa Kazim has said,
If you watch what you say, you will have more honor and respect.